Welcome, everybody. Thank you for coming to the Azure Gov Meetup tonight. If everyone could take their seats. We know the pizza arrived just a little tad late, so we are starting a little late, so you could nosh on something good. Anyway, to start today's agenda, I don't have my partner in crime, Vishwas Lele.
It's not showing.
It's not showing?
It's not showing the...
Okay, well, I'll just continue to talk so we can get to the...
It was showing.
It was showing. Okay. So my name is Karina Homme. I'm one of the founders of this community group. I think we started over 3 years ago. And we started it with the idea that we wanted a place where people could share best practices of what they were doing in government. My role in Microsoft is I work for the Azure Government product team. I do mission adoption and user community outreach. So I'm very happy that you're all here. If you are on social media, our hashtag is hashtag Azure Gov Meetup. Oh, you got it on. Thanks, Tina. So my partner in crime, co-founder of this group, Vishwas, he's actually traveling tonight, so I know he's wish he was here. One of the things that we both love to talk about, but Vishwas is very passionate about, is the why we are here. So I want to thank all the speakers in advance for volunteering their time tonight. And I always do ask for volunteers also. So if you're interested in sharing your story about what you're doing in government or have any ideas on topics, please let us know. So with that, we're actually working on, I don't know if we decided on emerging tech, or we're working on an agenda for June. So June 26th will be right here. And then July 24th, tentative. So we're still working out the calendar for the rest of the next 6 months. So stay tuned, but it will be here in Crystal City. With that, we just want to make sure that you're aware of any updates from the product team. We expand Azure Government FedRAMP High to 10 more services. We actually release a new service about every 37, 38 hours. So we're always excited when we get one through FedRAMP. Shout out to GSA. And events, so if you're in our partner community, we have our Microsoft Inspire event coming up in July. And then lastly, we do have a LinkedIn group in addition to this meetup community. So if you're interested, we do post a lot of our blogs and whatnot on that platform as well. Just check it out. With that, I just want to hurry up and get to the meat of today's session on the need for speed. I think we all could use that in government, and how we do DevOps for government. So we're going to start out with Joel Day. This is the second time you've been here, so thank you so much. He's an account technology strategist at Microsoft, has a lot of cool things to say, loves developer outreach, so can't wait to hear your talk. And then we also are going to talk about brain agility. Everyone's got agile in their brain right now. And overcoming cognitive bias, so that'll be a very interesting talk. Lisa Boyer, is that how you say? Cooney, she's an agile coach, but she's also runs a user community. Actually, we have other user communities represented tonight, so I think that's really cool that we're all coming together. So you run Agile Women, or Women in Agile. So thank you for coming, Lisa. And then we have an exciting panel tonight. So we have Peter Burkholder, again, second time Peter's been on stage. He's at 18F, but he's also here in that capacity of a DevOps meetup user group, community group lead, along with Laura Gerhardt. Then Eric Johnson, he comes from GitHub, so really excited to hear all about what GitHub's doing in government. And Orville, he's a chief IT communications officer in government. Also, we have lots of entrepreneurs tonight as well, so double-hatted. And then myself will be just asking a bunch of questions. Hopefully, it's an interactive session tonight. So with that, let's kick it off with Joel.